Happy New Year! I think this is gonna be my first video since 2022. This morning we are on route to Manchester. I have court in Manchester and woke up early and everything. I was for the most part on schedule until I called my client, because it's one of those situations where I never, based on the situation, I didn't get to collect my money before going. But it's literally like the man was trying to scam me. I've appeared for him one time before, and it's such a difficult matter because I'm getting the matter towards the end. So I've had to listen, it's just been difficult. The attorney that was representing him before actually passed away, unfortunately. God rest his soul. So I represented him on the last occasion, begged the court for some time to do closing submissions, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing. But then tell me why I called this man this morning, because I wanted to do another confirmation before I leave my yard, and he's gonna tell me about him only have X, and I told him it's X. He knows it's X, as a matter of fact, because he paid X on the last occasion. But this man trying to do a whole ass scam on me, and I'm like, seriously, sir? And when I told him no, him called me back and add a little bit to it. Then I said no again. He called me back and add some. So all this time, this man really just trying to scam me. But anyway, it's fine. We reached an agreement. He was telling me that he has 5 kids, which I get, I understand it. Having 5 kids is a lot of, mouths to support. But I mean, I told him, I said, sir, everybody is going through it, everybody is struggling, and that's the reality. I can list 5 bills that I have, urgent things I have right now. Those are my kids, so it's unfair to expect a service from somebody. And in this case, as I said, it's kind of difficult because of where I am, or where I inherited the matter. But it's kind of almost disrespectful to somebody charge you, and then you're not even trying to negotiate, you're just really trying to lowball them. I don't like that. I really don't like that. But anyway, we are on route because we resolved it. I'm trying to get out of Kingston. I'm holding up the phone with my arm, and my arm is dying. I kid you not, it's dying. So let me see if I can switch arms. Yeah, so I need to look over here. Hopefully I can remember that. I don't like this angle though. I don't like this angle. So let's just go, because I won't be much longer. But anyway, I have my camera and stuff that I do want to vlog on, but I gotta put on the lens and everything, and girl, I do not have the time. So here we are. I want to tell you guys Happy New Year, like a happy New Year. I know it's a rough season for a lot of people, including myself, but I'm trying to stay positive and just listen. Have you guys ever heard or read about the law of attraction? If you haven't, I need you to read it. I think there's a book as well that I think it's that book I can recommend. But trust me, I know I'm not done the book, but there was a nice little chapter in that book that I really liked. But law of attraction. So attract positive things, and positive things will happen to you. It's similar to manifesting. But positive meaning, don't speak bad things or think the worst in situations. Like, think positive, right? Good things. Yeah, so it's very similar to manifesting. Maybe I can do a video on law of attraction, but I'm charging you guys this year to do the things them. And I'm just hoping that you have a lovely new year, lovely 2022. I know I'm late. I think this video will probably go up for the end of January to February, because that's when I'm starting out. I got videos coming, and essentially this is my being back to YouTube. Actually, I didn't even mention that because I've been gone for some time. Yeah, I just wasn't in the mental space. Probably still not. I'm definitely not 100%, but I'm here. I'm here to create, and I'm just hoping that this is a prosperous year. I hope that you guys love the videos that I will be putting out. So this will probably be like a short vlog since I've been talking for over 5 minutes now. This will be a short vloggy vlog. I'm still gonna take you guys with me to Manchester, and yeah, we'll see you. Listen, can we talk about how toll just rising, gas just rising? Oh, no, not tired, honestly. Jesus, peace. You have your security, you have your life vest. I'm tired. Hey guys, so I've arrived in Manchester at court. The court room, because it's just one courtroom, is actually upstairs of the police station, and it's actually 19 minutes after 10. I have been in the car from about 9:45 thereabout, and I've been waiting on the judge. I know what she drives, and she usually parks around here. I hope she parks around here today. So I'm actually just waiting to see when she comes, so I can just take up myself and go upstairs. But yeah, I think I'll probably just go there now or soon. I also have not heard from my client, and it's now 10:20. I don't like tardiness, you know. When it comes to court, like don't judge me. Like a lot of people, let's just say I can be late, right? I'm no stranger to being late, but when it comes to court, I'm gonna play the game there. All if me I come from far, I'm leaving and trying to arrive for 10 o'clock. You understand? That's just how I am. So I haven't heard from the client, don't see the judge as yet. 10:20. I was in the car going over my submissions. Actually did them on my laptop. So let me show you. Jazzy jazz. So I did them on my laptop. So I was just going over them and trying to make it bigger because I'm actually gonna read from my laptop. So you know, just going over it and stuff. So I'm just here. I think I'm gonna just put on some lip gloss to put under the mask. But my lips are dry. Maybe some lip balm, and just head upstairs, and just hopefully the people them reach the judge and the client soon. You understand? Because I don't really want to spend the whole day here. So yeah. Still not with the camera, but I'm back again. I had to share this with you guys, right? So in the matter I did today, unfortunately, it was a guilty verdict. As I explained, I got the matter at an advanced stage. Somebody really just try, help out, because all the evidence would have been, submitted to the court already. So I really couldn't do much, because cross-examination, everything did already done and gone. So I had to do a plea mitigation, which is basically, giving kind of like the profile of the accused person. It's kind of like, yeah, a plea to the judge to be lenient. You're asking for leniency. Hold on. Yeah, so as I said, it's essentially like asking for leniency. I should have on my seatbelt. I never realized. Don't judge me. Yeah, so it's like asking for leniency from the judge, right, for the person. So some of the things that we'll submit, so you'd like state the age of the person, their occupation, if they're married, if they have kids, and you know, these are kids that they're responsible for, they're gainfully employed, they have no previous convictions, you know, whether the person is remorseful and has learned his lesson, etc. Even though, I mean, he did not plead guilty, but you know, you want to advance certain things to kind of appeal to the judge, right? So I would have done that, and she ended up implementing, well, it was a fine. The sentence was a fine. So it was 100,000 for 1 or 6 months, and 200,000 for 1 or 9 months. And of course I started to plead for less. But then she started on one lecture, so you know, and then really and truly, my client, whenever want pay me all of my fees this morning, I got call me and tell me say him foreign, him family from overseas we paid. As in, he was right behind me in the dock, and he was like, and I'm like, what? And you were trying to shortchange me? I mean, we didn't have like inside information, to be honest, but it was the audacity for me of this man. And then he immediately, like, it's almost like he was saying, it's just $300,000, my family pay that, so I'm gonna end up in a jail. So I just wanted to add that bit. But you know, people that are like that are very concerning. Me not like it, because it means say you're less likely to be lenient or something with other persons who might actually need the assistance, who might actually don't have it. I don't know, me just never like that. But I'm happy he has the money to pay though, so he can stay out of jail. I mean, I'm very happy about that. That's a win for me and him alike. I'm very happy about that. Oh boy, I don't know where this person going. Yeah, so I'm happy about that, to be very honest with you. And yeah, so that's the end of, well, not the end, because the judge set up. Hold on, let me see police right there. Yeah, so the judge set a date for him to come back and pay the money, so you know, he wouldn't end up in jail now. Yeah, so that's that. I stopped and bought some roast yam. It's been a minute because they had locked it down. I think there was some health issue and it was locked down, the yam park on Melrose, for a while. So I was so happy when I stopped and I saw them working. Yeah, so I got some yam for my mommy and me. Sab, I'm sorry in advance.